Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to KH Tutorials. Today I'm doing a voiceover on this look right here. Very simple, very natural. This is just, I wanted to do a look that's much more wearable than the last couple I've done. So I came up with this. Not going to take more than 10-15 minutes tops. And I hope you like it. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with this Makeup Forever Moisturizing Primer and just put that all over the face. Next I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Vanilla, and I'm just going to put that in my under eyes, the high points of my face, and over a couple pimples. And I'm going to blend that out with my L'Oreal sponge. Here I'm just taking a cool toned brown eyeshadow and running that through my eyebrows and then combing it out with a spoolie. From there, I'm going to take this MAC Soft Ochre paint pot and I'm going to use my finger to spread that all over the lid as a shadow base. Next, with the Tartelette in Bloom palette, I'm going to take that cream colored shade and swipe that all over the lid to just remove some of the stickiness left over from that shadow base. After that, I'm going to take this cool toned brown shade and I'm going to swipe that in the crease to give just a little bit of definition with that fluffy brush. With this dark brown color, I'm going to line the upper lash line. With that same color and brush, I'm going to spray the brush with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to use that as eyeliner. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes and throw a little mascara on. Then I'm going to take a little of this cream highlighter, and I'm just going to tap that on the high points of my face. There's no shimmer or anything in this, so it'll just leave the skin looking a little bit dewy. For lips, I'm just going to throw on some of this orange gloss. And the last thing I'm going to do is just spray a little setting spray all over my face, and I'm ready to go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, leave a like down below and subscribe. If you want to be notified every time I post a new video, hit that little bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!